Hello everyone, I'm Alberto De Conti and I'm with the Rudolf group out of Milan and Munich. We are here today to talk about our approach to conscious chemistry as well as to introduce to our latest innovations, innovations in which we believe enormously and we think they have huge potential. The textile industry, one of the major industrial sectors worldwide, is going through a large, significant revolution with landmark changes taking place in various sections of textile processing. Biotechnology and biomimicry, for example, are continuously playing an important role in redefining the influence of the textile industry on society. And so is progress made in auxiliary chemistry, with advances being investigated and then applied in almost every section of textile processing. The outcome is truly amazing. Modern real science is really intertwined with environmental consciousness, and they are definitely not mutually exclusive. It is not an either-or situation. At Rudolf Group, modern real science means pushing R&D to constantly explore new technology and innovations that have transformed the textile and fashion industries. We work to reduce the overall dependency on traditional and virgin resources, and getting textile manufacturers as well brand and retailers on board is key to achieve real change. By 2030, we aim for a significant fraction of our products to be either sourced through paths alternative to the traditional petrochemicals or by upcycling waste and or byproducts from other industries. This is the kind of genuine, tangible environmental consciousness that truly defines us, and it entails the Rudolf Group has a responsibility for the needs of society as a whole. We have a maniacal attention to the environmental impact of our operations and products. We have truly embedded in ourselves the notion that sustainability is a key issue and critical to the long-term survival of our company and of society at large. The combination of modern, real science and environmental consciousness leads us to what we at Rudolf Group call aspirational chemistry, something unique and something that wants to position us as shining example and guiding light through the industry. That is in fact better chemistry. As I said, two are the examples of aspirational chemistry we want to present today. The first one is our washless technology, and the second one is a brand new innovation for denim that supports laser technology and helps creating much better looks. Washless, which can be applied to both denim and non-denim, is the simultaneous application of two Rudolf proprietary technologies. One being fluorine-free, durable water resistant based on biomimicry to repel dirt, and the other one being antimicrobial, antibacterial and antiviral, anti-migrating chemistry to stop body odor. The combination of the two translates into garments that do not require to be washed as much. Life cycle assessment studies on clothes, detergents and washing machines show that home laundry is always the most energy demanding period during this product's life cycle, even higher than production or transportation phases. Washless aims at changing consumer habits, including maintenance, to a more environmentally friendly direction and represents a change that is the most feasible and efficient. Making washing machines obsolete is impossible, but even though the technologies in clothes cleaning have improved greatly, the washing frequency has not been reduced. We own more and more clothing and wash it more frequently. This increased amount of washing counteracts the technological improvements in home laundry. It is only by understanding the climate change impact associated with home laundry that product innovations and consumer education can be explored. Studies consistently show that the carbon dioxide reduction of 105 million tons and electricity savings of 142,000 gigawatt hours can be obtained by reducing home laundering on average by 1/3. This is roughly equivalent to removing 12% of the 140 million passengers cars in the US, or taking 23 coal power plants off the grid. In addition, more than 60% of water consumed while laundering, that is 2,000 billion liters, can be reduced through these strategies. Denim lasering is the current dominant technology available to the denim industry to create locally abraded areas, vintage effects, whiskers, patterns, patches, and even holes and tears in the garment. Laser technology uses less water and less harmful chemicals such as potassium permanganate to create a wide variety of denim looks. However, laser is not always able to produce the desired look on the desired fabric in the desired time. Therefore, chemical companies have been developing the so-called laser boosters that can be pre-applied to the garments in order to intensify the effect of the laser and to mimic heavier bleaching applications. Unfortunately, laser boosters can create blurred images where the definition is lower and the overall image less natural. Taking inspiration from the traditional, obsolete but fascinating development of photographic films, Rudolf has developed Laser Smoother, an all-in-one formulation, very easy to pre-apply to garments before laser burning, and that returns a very natural image which is very similar to the highly desirable hand scraping. Laser Smoother can be applied by traditional exhaust or through nebulization, and it dries at normal temperature in normal tumble dryers. Advantages of laser smoothers are a remarkable enhancement of the fabric characteristics, an overall effect which is much more natural and similar to the manual scraping, so we are adding really a craftsmanship dimension, reduced required laser power to achieve the desired effect, which in turn means a large saving in terms of energy, a faster laser burning process, which means a significant time saving, and any other chemical spray is not required. Last but not least, the process allows for a reduced cost compared to other solutions. In conclusion, and going forward, the challenge for organizations like Rudolf Group is being able to provide exciting solutions in terms of effects and performance, while ensuring the efficient use of chemicals to minimize toxicity, waste, and environmental impact. Despite the criticism, chemistry's contributions are as critical to the continuing success of the textile industry today as they were even before the Industrial Revolution. The introduction of aspirational chemistry in the textile industry, coupled up with constructive, educational, and effective collaborations, opened the door further to a world of safer and more environmentally friendly products. Let's take the game to the next level altogether. Thank you very much for listening.